Welcome to MS Auto Review. Today, we're delving into the 2025 Toyota Camry, a sedan that seamlessly blends efficiency, performance, and modern design, setting a new standard in the midsize sedan segment. The 2025 Camry makes a bold statement with its refreshed exterior design. The front fascia features Toyota's signature hammerhead grille, flanked by sleek, slimmer LED headlights that integrate C-shaped daytime running lights, giving the vehicle a dynamic and contemporary appearance. The sculpted lines along the sides enhance its aerodynamic profile, while the rear showcases redesigned taillights and Camry lettering across the trunk lid, adding a touch of sophistication. Under the hood, the 2025 Camry has transitioned to an all-hybrid lineup, reflecting Toyota's commitment to sustainability without compromising performance. The standard powertrain is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor, delivering a combined output of 232 horsepower. This setup offers robust acceleration and a responsive driving experience, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. Additionally, the Camry offers both front-wheel drive and available electronic on-demand all-wheel drive, providing enhanced traction and control in various driving conditions. Inside, the Camry's cabin is designed with comfort and advanced technology in mind. High-quality materials and a driver-focused layout create an inviting atmosphere. The front seats offer ample support and adjustability, ensuring comfort on long journeys, while the rear seats provide generous legroom, making it suitable for families and passengers alike. The trunk offers 15.1 cubic feet of cargo space, accommodating daily storage needs with ease. Technology is at the forefront of the 2025 Camry's interior features. The base trim comes equipped with a 7-inch infotainment touchscreen that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa compatibility, ensuring seamless integration of your favorite apps and media. Higher trims offer an available 12.3-inch touchscreen display, providing a more immersive experience. Standard wireless charging and multiple USB-C ports ensure all devices remain powered throughout your journey. Safety continues to be a priority for Toyota, and the 2025 Camry exemplifies this commitment. Every model comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, a comprehensive suite of advanced safety features designed to assist drivers and enhance passenger protection. This includes a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, and dynamic radar cruise control. These technologies work together to provide a safer driving experience, offering peace of mind on every trip. The 2025 Camry is engineered to cater to a variety of lifestyles. Its fuel-efficient hybrid powertrain makes it an excellent choice for daily commuters aiming to minimize fuel expenses, with an estimated combined fuel economy of up to 51 mpg. The comfortable interior and advanced infotainment system cater to small families and tech-savvy individuals alike. Moreover, the availability of all-wheel drive appeals to those seeking enhanced performance and confidence in diverse driving conditions. In the competitive midsize sedan market, the 2025 Toyota Camry distinguishes itself by offering a balanced combination of reliability, efficiency, and modern features. Its long-standing reputation for durability and strong resale value makes it a prudent investment for those seeking a vehicle that will serve them well for years to come. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive overview of the 2025 Toyota Camry. If you found this review informative, please give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to MS Auto Review for more in-depth car reviews and automotive insights.